Hey friends, Chloe with Glam Goodies. I've been doing nails for 21 years and I'm here to talk with you about how these different live selling platforms are going to change the game when it comes to your personal nail business. So the last few videos we talked about branded emails and the website. We talked about the integrations that you could get in between Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Let's talk about right now, specifically the other opportunities that you have with all of those websites in order to generate additional revenue in your press on nail business. Now, as you can see behind me, I have a plethora of nail tools available for me to use. And some of those nail products I am an affiliate for. Mm. Right, so when I live sell on, say, TikTok, for instance, and I have, like, for TikTok, like the business platform, if you have at least 50 followers, you can go live. And I think if you get at least 1,000 followers, you can do affiliates. Now, when doing affiliates, you can go live linking your products, which is your press on nails, below, so that people can literally shop from what you have available. You can also link affiliate products, right? So say you're going live doing a set and you're using several different products that you're an affiliate for on TikTok Shop, or even tools that you're an affiliate for on TikTok Shop. Like, I have a few things that I'm affiliate for: the O-Nail lamp and the O-Nail e-file. There are gel polishes from D&D that are in the TikTok Shop. There are nail tips from Novo and like so many other brands are in the TikTok Shop. If you get those items and you're using them in your videos, you can link those as well, because you're going to get a few different types of viewers in your live streaming. You're going to get people that are interested in buying press-on nails. You're also going to get people that just like watching nails getting done, and maybe eventually they might purchase, or they'll just share your profile with somebody else, or they'll engage with your profile and with your lives, and that'll get you engagement coins. And you're also going to get people who are nail techs who are starting their press on nail business, and they're like, what are you using? And you can say, I've linked that also below, and so you'll get affiliate coins. And once you get so many comments, so many followers, and do so many lives, TikTok will also pay you for going lives. That's why you see those people that are getting all these gifts and they're doing this, that, and the third. It's because they're getting paid to, one, be live. They're getting paid for through the gifts. They're also getting paid for the time that they're on lives, and they're also getting paid from the affiliate links and if they have their own product that they sell. So that's 4 different ways that you can generate income from your social media. Now, you're probably thinking, well, does Facebook have that? Does Instagram have that? They don't have that specifically, but this is what Facebook does have, especially if you have a creator account on Facebook. And if you've been on social media for a while, which you really should be, because you're probably already doing nails in the salon, you've been doing it for a minute, and you're selling your press-ons and you're sharing that, you can also link currently links to products, and to your products, and to affiliate link products on Facebook Reels. Yes, I know. So say you made some press on nails and they're beautiful, and you have, of course, you should have, if you've been going through my other videos, your own website. You can say, and you can get this set by grabbing from the link below. And because it's a video that's linked with Facebook, understanding that you're putting this link for a sale, they're going to push those videos. They are. Also, on Facebook, you can do affiliate links. So you can say, hey guys, new collection in place. I love these new spring colors. I got it from blah, blah, blah. If you want to get this collection too, here we go. The link is linked below. And that can be an affiliate link from Sean Legend, from Amazon, from Ball Pit, for whoever you use their products all the time and you're an affiliate for it. Link those products below. If you have chromes that you love using and those chromes are from Express Clause, go ahead and say, listen, my top favorite chromes are these, blah, blah. Why? Because it's showing people that you're using quality stuff. It's also getting you an affiliate sale, and it's getting you content that's getting views. So that is ways that you get paid. Now, I am in the Facebook, I think it's called Facebook Creator Program, so I get $5 or $6 here and there. But now that they add this additional layer of being able to add links to your videos, not only am I getting press on nail sales, I'm getting affiliate link sales, and I'm getting views. So that's 3 ways I'm getting paid off of my Facebook videos. Now, Instagram, selling your stories, right? And when you're selling your stories, you're going to ask them, you're going to say, hey guys, just got some new chromes in. If you love these chromes, go ahead and reply back to my story and I can send you the link. They reply back to your story. You send them a link for the Chrome. They buy the Chrome. You get an affiliate sale that way. And you're probably thinking like, Chloe, this sounds like a lot of work. Not really, because the Chrome videos, you already have videos of you using Chrome. It doesn't have to be a brand new video at all. It could be repurposed. And if somebody replies back to the video, oh yeah, I can send you the link to that. Money. You just made additional coins because they bought some Chromes. For real. And if you are an affiliate for any of these bigger platforms, Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, they have bounties that they give. I remember late last year during Christmas time, I had shared so many things with my Amazon storefront that I ended up getting $1,000 bounty just because I had driven so much traffic with what? My posting. So you're missing out on money because you're just not posting. And say you're like, Chloe, I'm just too busy. Think about it like this. I don't post specific times. I'm not like, oh, I post at 9 and noon. All of my posts are done in the morning. It's going to pick up what it's going to pick up. Right? Right now, I'm just getting my frequency together of posting consistently, putting my links, putting my information. But all of my stuff is done in the morning. I do talk about a scheduler that I use. Very easy to use the scheduler and link things that way. Simple, not a difficult task to do at all. And you got to ask yourself, if this is something that I really want, am I not willing to sacrifice to make it happen? Or am I just giving it lip service? Right. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, I need to see this up close and personal. I need to see how this integration works from Shopify to Facebook to Instagram. Then I'm going to put the resource down below for the Press on Nail business course, which is a business course to show you how to set up the website, do the emails, branded, beautiful emails, to link your social medias to your Shopify storefront so that it becomes an additional storefront, put you on Main Street. That's going to be the link that you're going to visit, and you're going to pop in the course, have unlimited access to it, and you're going to make this money doing press-ons. I've been doing nails for 21 years. My goal is retirement, but I still love doing nails. I'm just not really interested anymore in the face-to-face customer interaction. I like the opportunity to be able to do nails for people and just chill and watch movies at home or in the shop making press-ons, right? If that's something you want to do, because you don't want to quit nails, you love it, you love the artistry, you love buying the supplies, you just want to do it differently. This is a way that you can do it differently and make a significant amount of cash with it. And if you don't need the money, put it in your retirement account. If you don't need the money, put it in your retirement account. You're already independently wealthy, you just doing this for fun, put it in a savings account, high yield, something like that. Okay, so I'll leave that resource below, and actually I'll also leave the resource for my favorite high yield savings account that I use from Wealthfront down below as well. And stay tuned for the next videos that will be about something else to help you make money doing nails, because that's what I do. 21 years doing nails is literally my jam, and I love sharing that with you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, especially if you're a nail tech that's really trying to retire and you know your other nail friends trying to retire too. Share with your friends. Close here to help, and I appreciate you all. Bye.